kakikoy ko, samahan nyo ako ako lang pala mag varnish ng bed frame. Actually nagawa ko na to, hindi ko lang binidyo o blinag kasi ang lamig doon sa garahe. Ngayon pinasok ko na. Oh no! Dito ko na binabarnish. Ayan o. Ayan, diba? Alright. Tapos nandun yung bed. Ang size niyan ay 75.5 inches by 39. Alright. So ang high niya yan 17. Tapos yun 7. So 24 inch ang lapad. Alright. Keep on watching mga kakikoy ko. So ayan siya mga kakikoy ko. Alright. I just started varnishing. Ayan. I'm not an expert but I know how to do it. Alright. Itong square na to or triangle 45 degrees, kinat ko yan doon sa school kasi may matrix so doon. Ayan so keep on watching lang alright. So bed frame, keep on watching. So ayan mga kakikoy ko, habang tinutuloy ko ang aking pagbabarnish, isisingit ko lang itong dalawa kong apo. Nagtatalunan na sa sa bed namin. So ayan sila nagtatalunan. Oh no! Be careful! So ayan, tinutuloy ko lang yung aking ginagawa. Alright, keep on watching lang mga kakikoy ko. So ayan mga kakikoy ko, habang binabarnish ko yan, first coat, you can make paint brush or like a cloth. Alright, so it's up to you, but for me I use the paint brush, the very thinnest paintbrush. Alright, so keep on watching lang mga kakikoy ko. Ayan, my bed frame. Alright, keep on watching. Ito nga pala yung brand niya, no? If you see that, wood finish Winwax is not a sponsor, right? Or they call penetrating stain, So ayan mga kakikoy ko, na first coat ko na, no? So we are waiting until it dry for the second coat. Alright, but I have to do it underneath. Look at that, see? So we have to make it fancy. Alright. Mahirap din ang trabaho ng pintor, no? Kaya salute to all painter there, painter around the world. Lalo na yung overhead position, like this, diba? Kahirap. So ayan mga kakikoy ko, tapos na natin yung first coat. Ang mahirap itong overhead, no, sa ilalim, kaya tapos ano. So antayin natin it will dry, but I have to end this video. Thank you so much for your watching. Getting their first coat. All right. So ayan yung bed. Ito ang bed box or bed frame. All right. Good morning mga kakikoy ko. Si Candy ngayon. Second coat ko sa varnish. Alright, keep on watching. Hindi nga pala kami natulog kagabi dito ni Kikay. Yan o. Kasi unang-una, masakit sa ilong. Saka sa dibdib yung amoy ng ano. Kahit naglagay ako ng humidifier, ganun pa rin. Kasi sarado yung bintana dahil winter dito. So yan, keep on watching lang mga kakikoy ko, no? So ganito mag-varnish. Excuse me. Kailangan gawing second coat para maganda yung ano, progress. Alright. This is what we call wood finish or varnish. Maganda siya. Maraming benefits if your woodworks are finished. You have to put varnish to protect insects. Is that right? Ika nga, walang anay. Hindi aanayin. Alright. Ganun lang. So, ayan mga kakikoy ko, malapit na tayo matapos sa second coat. So, this is the last coat that I'm doing. So, keep on watching lang mga kakikoy ko. Kung napapansin nyo, medyo looks good na. That side is okay. Kung napapansin nyo, ito kakaiba. Plyboard to. 1/4 size. Same thing here. 3/4 pala. 3/4 inch. Alright. So, ayan. Tapos na tayo mga kakikoy ko. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kikoy YouTube TV. Alright. Bye-bye. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.